Waste cables contain significant recycling value. Inside every cable are high-purity copper conductors and reusable plastic insulation, making them a typical form of urban mining. With a well-designed recycling process, it is possible to achieve high recovery rates, stable output quality, and efficient operation at the same time. The process starts with pre-shredding. Whole waste cables are fed into a single-shaft shredder, where they are cut into uniform segments. This step reduces material size, improves handling efficiency, and prepares the cables for downstream processing, while maintaining stable throughput. Next, the shredded material enters a knife crusher for fine crushing. At this stage, copper and plastic are fully liberated through controlled cutting and impact. Proper liberation is critical, as it directly affects separation accuracy and final product quality. The crushed mixture then passes through an air separation system. Using density differences between copper and plastic, the system efficiently recovers high-quality copper granules, while removing most of the light plastic fractions. This step ensures a clean copper output, with minimal copper loss. After copper recovery, the remaining material is processed by an electrostatic separator. Through electrostatic separation, plastics are further refined, resulting in clean, low-impurity plastic granules, suitable for reuse or resale. This complete recycling solution features a clear process layout, proven technology, and stable long-term performance. It balances recovery efficiency, operational stability, and cost control, making it suitable for a wide range of waste cable recycling projects. If you would like to see more real equipment demonstrations and professional recycling solutions, welcome to subscribe to our channel.